Deep in the jungles of Cambodia stand the ruins of Angkor Wat, once capital of a great empire, then lost for 500 years. When it was rediscovered in 1860, a road was hacked through the dense jungle growth, a road you now see being traveled by the 1958 Ford, first car ever to use the whole world as a test track. This was the 112th day of its round-the-world trip. And as on every other day, the 58 Ford proved it had the power, strength, and stamina to more than meet any challenge. Never before in history had a car been subjected to so many different kinds of punishment. Every part of the Ford's body, chassis, and engine took a pounding that could never be equaled anywhere in this country. And what kind of ride were the drivers getting? Well, just look what happened when a camera was mounted in the front seat. Even over this rough jungle road, the 58 Ford gave a smooth, steady ride. Day after day, week after week, over the worst roads in the world, the 58 Ford proved its ruggedness, proved its comfort. This same proof will be yours when you action test the 58 Ford on the American road. Only Ford in its field offers all these comfort features: a swept-back ball-joint front suspension, a husky wide-base frame, a softer, even-keel rear suspension, and foam rubber-padded front seats on all models. Here is fine car comfort at the low Ford price. And many models, like this Fairlane Town sedan, are priced even lower than last year. Drive a 58 Ford soon. You'll agree there's nothing newer in the world.